Hi guys, have you met someone from another country? You have a conversation with that person in English, but you still can't understand each other. There are various reasons for it. One, obviously, the accent, which can be quite different. Another reason is the vocabulary. Sometimes people from other countries can use different words which actually mean the same thing. Today, we are going to dive deep into the differences between American English and Indian English. So let's take a look at it. Garbage versus dustbin. American, put it in the garbage. Indian, put it in the dustbin. Now, why is there this difference? The reason is simple. Dustbin is a word we have inherited from the British. We were ruled by the British for many years, and so our English is influenced to a great extent by British English. So dustbin comes from British English. Restroom versus washroom or toilet. American, where's the restroom? Indian, where's the washroom or toilet? Americans generally avoid using the word toilet in conversations because it sounds too direct or crude. Truck versus lorry. American, that's a big truck. Indian, that's a big lorry. British influence again. Fries versus finger chips. American, can I get some fries? Indian, can I have some finger chips? A fun fact is, finger chips is a phrase which is neither used by Americans or British, only in India. Cilantro versus coriander. American, add some cilantro. Indian, add some coriander leaves. Eggplant versus brinjal. Americans say eggplant, Indians say brinjal. Cookie versus biscuit. American, give me the cookie. Indians, pass me the biscuit. Gas versus petrol. American, I need gas. Indian, I need to fill petrol. In the US, it's a gas station, and in India, it's a petrol pump. Apartment versus flat. American, I moved to a new apartment. Indian, I shifted to a new flat. In fact, shifted in itself is Indian English. Americans would say move to. Parking garage versus basement parking. American, park in the parking garage. Indian, park in the basement parking. Elevator and lift. American, take the elevator. Indian, take the lift. However, in India we use elevator too. Both are correct, of course. Lift is just more British. Pajamas versus night dress. Americans, get into your pajamas. Indians, get into your night dress. And now some phrases which the Americans find funny or are thoroughly confused with it because they are used only in India or by Indians. For example, the word prepone. This doesn't exist in American English. So instead of prepone, they would rather use a phrase like, let's move the meeting forward, or let's push it forward. So prepone is not understood. Another phrase is, she's my cousin sister or he's my cousin brother. In American English, he's my cousin, she's my cousin, but there's no such thing as cousin brother or cousin sister. Kindly revert. This is a phrase which is very common while writing emails in India. But kindly revert, according to Americans, would be incorrect English, because revert means going back to the original form, like ice reverts to water, but I can't revert to you, right? So you cannot say kindly revert. In fact, the word kindly is also outdated. So Americans would prefer to use something like, please reply to me as soon as possible, instead of kindly revert to me. Passing out of college is another phrase which we use all the time in India. But pass out in American English means to faint. So they wouldn't understand this phrase at all, that he passed out of college. Instead, an American would say he graduated from college. So there you go. American English versus Indian English. There are many more differences, of course. I have tried to put forward a few in front of you. Very shortly, I'll make more videos about these differences. Which difference surprised you the most? comment below. For more such interesting content, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy English!